on-screen keyboard. Alright guys, here is the finished product of my electronic keyboard. Okay, it's taking some time to complete, so I'll just show you how it works. As it right here, I'm actually typing on Microsoft Word document. Okay, and can press enter. Alright, do whatever I like. Cap lock, take it up. Okay, and use the space key. Tab. Press enter again. Shift key. Hyphen. Shift key again. Shift key, pound sign, and so on. And you can even use the print screen, which is right here. Cap lock on, strobe lock on. Okay. Function key for help file, and so on. That's how this on-screen keyboard work exactly just like the regular everyday on-screen keyboard. So that works fine. That's the F1. Let's see. If you watch this tutorial carefully, you will see something very useful that you can develop on, okay, which can enhance your own development skills as well. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is to use the form load to actually upload an application, that is a process.start. Okay, the program I intend to start to be the notepad. I should put that in a quote. Notepad. Close that, which means when I run the form, the notepad will actually start running. Okay, you can see that now. That's the notepad. So I'm going to stop this and continue. The next stage of this program is for me to now add my controls onto the form. So let me get my first button right there. Okay, and now set the property of this very button. Let me set the size to 45, 45, and that will be letter A. Okay, so might as well just copy it across. That will be B. The on-screen keyboard, this is just the design view of it, so I'm just going to now enter something in there, that button 8. That'll be my tab key. So I intend to use. Okay guys, see how it looks. So that's how you create your own tab key if you intend to. So let me go to this button right here and just show you what I'm going to be doing there. That is for this page. Enter 2. Enter 2. The next one is the pound sign and 3. Okay, so you should be able to do something very similar. This is very easy, so I'm not going to waste your time on this. So I've just stopped. Okay guys, this is just a quick preview of the design view. This is what I've done so far. So I've only just programmed a few of the buttons. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is, this is for the letter A. You can see what I've said in here is, if checkbox 1 dot checked equals true, or checkbox 2 dot checked equals true, then the application should be activated. You activate the untitled notepad, and the system should insert letter A. Okay, that is if is checked. Else, it should enter lowercase a. Okay. But if it's checked, the uppercase A is inserted and checkbox 2 will automatically become false, which is right here. So what I'll do now is just to copy this line of code and take it across to the rest part of the program. So folks, all I'm just doing right now is just entering all the necessary code. I've even entered a beep sound there. That's if you press the cap lock, you hear a sound. So let me do the Z so that you see how it's done. As for the Z, okay, it's uppercase Z and lowercase z. The X, uppercase, lowercase. Letter C, uppercase, and lowercase c. The same thing I repeated for all of the characters on the on-screen keyboard. Okay, so I'll just speed things up. Well, in the case of less than and greater than, we all know you have to press the shift key to get the less than and greater than working. So if you look inside my code, what I've done is I've actually say if checkbox 2 dot checked equals true, then this is what's going to happen. As greater than, else, that would be a period, just like I've done for the less than. I've done the same thing for the greater than. But when you look at the letter N, I've actually say checkbox 1 or checkbox 2. Okay, because checkbox 2 is the shift key. Checkbox 1 is the cap lock. So either of those, if it's pressed, give me uppercase N, else lowercase n. So I've only just used, like I said, I've only just used checkbox 2 for these other characters. So for the next character, which is the question mark and the division sign, I will then do exactly the same thing. Take off checkbox 1, okay, convert this to uppercase to question sign mark, and this division. And I think that's all for now. Okay, that's all for now. So the other things I'm going to be doing is just check out how the keyboards work properly, and maybe for the arrow keys and so on. You see how it works. The number keys. Okay, so I don't really need a cap lock for those ones. So let me just check how the keyboard works, then I'll come back to the number pad. Okay, let's run this program. As you can see, the notepad was automatically activated. So if I click on letter A, that's A. You see that? If I press enter, see that? Cap lock, that's 280 because you can hear the beep sound because I have beep in there. That's just to denote uppercase. Hear that? Get rid of the cap lock. Can you see that? press enter, shift key, and here there's a space, cap lock, M, and that goes off. Okay, press enter. Let's check out the less than sign. Okay, we have a comma there. Only if I press the shift key should this work. Can it work again? No. Only if I press the shift key will this work. Will it work again? No. Only full stop works. See guys, that is how I've actually simulated how electronic keyboard works. So I'm just going to finish up the number pad, and let's start with maybe letter 7. Okay, paste that in there. Do I really need all of these? No, I don't think so. So I'm going to take all of these off. Take that off. Take this off. Because it's just a number anyway. So that's 7. Letter 7. I've completed. Let me just run the program and you guys see what I'm talking about. Okay, my notepad is on. Okay, I have 7, 8, 9. Press enter. 9, 8, 7. Press enter. 8, 7, 9. Press enter. 8, 9, 7. Okay guys, so I'm yet to complete the other ones, so I'm going to do that right now and complete this enter and delete plus sign, and now I'll get back to you as soon as it's completed. Okay, for the number lock, I'm just going to I will enable the following buttons with the number lock. Button 60, I have a 62 dot enable equals true. Okay, let me just copy that across. So we do is we actually start the node. When the form is loaded, the following buttons should become false. Okay, can you see that? These are the number lock buttons. Okay, let me just say okay, it will all become false. Okay, but once if you click on the number lock itself, what will happen is it will set all of these buttons to true. So let's run the program and you see what I'm talking about. Okay guys, can you see that? Activate 8. It's the number lock working. Okay guys, the plus sign, that's not working yet. Not working. Plus, minus, multiplication, division. Okay, 1, 2, 3 is not working yet. Enter is not working yet. So let me go and get those ones sorted. Don't save. Okay, go back to my phone view. That's that right there. Okay, so that's the code right there. All I just need to do is copy this. Copy. Come back in there. Paste. Change this to enter to plus the division sign, and for the minus paste that as a minus, addition, repeat exactly the same thing, number 7. Let's find out. Okay, 68. So number lock 68. I don't have no 68 there. I have 69 though. So I'm just gonna copy, paste 68. Okay, form load, copy, press enter, paste, change that to 68. So that takes care of that. So let me run it now. You see what I'm talking about. Run number lock, enter all my numbers, check out all these characters if they work. Yeah, that works. The plus sign is not working yet, so I'll get that sorted again. Press enter. You see that the cursor goes right underneath. All right. Okay. All right. Number lock now have as follows for the number lock. Okay. Once you click on the number lock, what happens is all of these buttons they get engaged, and I now have a label up there that change colors as well, indicating that the number lock is on. I think the label is right here, label 2. That's label 1 for the cap lock. Okay, so let's just move this. Let's move it aside and increase this a little bit. Yeah, that's more like it. Okay. Now the second phase of this program is to complete the on-screen keyboard. I'm going to add some function keys here, which will include escape, F1, F2, up to maybe F12, and something like a print screen and so on. But first thing, let me just check if there are some keys here I feel are not working as expected. Like, let's see if this works. Hold on the shift key. You can see the bracket is not working. But, that gives an error, so I need to get that sorted. Okay, so I do have an error there, so let's debug that. So for these brackets that are not working, let me put a curly bracket around them. That's fine. Let's repeat exactly the same thing for the next one. Curly bracket around it. Okay, so that's fine. And let me just change all of these to as numbers. It's 5, 6. Let's change that to 6, 5. I'm just taking off the speech map because I really don't need that. Okay, if I run the program right now, and here we go. It's my program. Let me check the bracket if it works. Push down the shift key. Bracket, that's fine, that's working. Enter 9. Close the bracket. That's fine. It's now the brackets are now working as expected. And the other thing is, yeah, that's working fine. 7 is not working here, so that needs to be sorted. I'll go there and get the 7 checked. That's not working. Okay, enter. That's working. And the other thing I intend to do is, let's see my cap lock. Cap lock is on. Check out the cap locks. That's fine. Cap lock on. Enter. Enter again. the arrow keys are not working yet. So the other thing I intend to do is, instead of using just Notepad alone, you guys know you can use Notepad. We can also use other applications. We can use Microsoft Word or any other application you want. So what I'm going to do is I'll show you how we're going to go around activating Microsoft Word. Okay, now I've loaded a Word document. So what I'm going to do next is I will then address this title, document 1 dash Microsoft Word. So the easiest way I'm going to do that is let me just copy and paste instead of using Notepad. Highlight all of these. Let's Control F, replace that with document underscore Microsoft Word. Okay, and that's it. So replace all. Okay, I have about 114 there. Replaced. Close this. The next stage would be to go to the form and check out my processor. Let's open the form up. Form load. On the form load right here, you can see the process is start Notepad. So I will then change that to Win Word. Okay, so now that means when the form load, it should also load Microsoft Word documents. So let's give that a try now. Run the program. And there we go, guys. Can you see that? What 2010 just opened up. So let me now try my on-screen keyboard. Let's see. It's playing up. Oh, there's an error there. The error right there is it's supposed to be Word document. Look at the spelling of document is wrong, and it's supposed to be document 1. So I'm going to go back into the code, highlight this, press Control F, change all of those. Document 1. Oh, sorry about that. Control F. Quick replace. Change this, all of this. Let me just change that to document 1. So it's going to replace it all with document 1. That's good. Now it's been corrected. So let me run my program again, guys. I have my document 1 right here. You see that? So I can now type into my document 1. If I press cap lock, and that's what you get. Okay, so I need these arrow keys to work, and I also need some function key right here. So let's create a function key now. So close the document, form. So let's go to tools, get a button up there, come to the property, change that to 45. Press enter. Okay, that's my escape button. So let me just copy that across, change that to F1. Okay, I'll just speed up this. Here are the codes. Okay, so just to give you a good view of the codes, how it looks like, and I have everything working the way it should work. Can you see that? It's very, very easy. Okay, I prefer it than the other method that I've seen so far. I feel this is easier for everyone to use. Again, you can always improve on it, especially all the function keys. All the function keys works as expected, and I even have an icing on the cake. I can even screen print whatever I've done, which is very interesting. So let's run the program and see how it works. Okay, on screen keyboard up, form 1 is loaded. Let's see where that is. The form 1 is right there. Okay, so you can see it properly. That's a down arrow, up arrow. You see that? Okay. Backslash, delete, add more data, space, tab, okay, number lock on, press enter, number lock, okay, strobe is on, press the division sign, multiplication, minus, plus, enter again. Now let's see the page up, page down. You guys see that? Okay, so insert works, down. Okay, the system works as expected, apart from just one function, which is no big deal. Okay, that's that, guys. So the icing on the cake is the screen print. And you guys see that? If I press the screen print, come right down here, space, and just press on paste. And you guys see that. So let me open up this. Okay, that's a print screen. And the second one, I think, the first print screen. Okay, that's another one. Okay, from the system. So maybe we press enter, scroll up. Okay, insert another print screen, another one. Check the time, paste. You see that, guys? Okay, the print screen works on the system, so that's fine. So that'll be all for this tutorial. So if you have any comment, please pass it on. I hope you all enjoy it. Thanks.